episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a last of the prototypes from Vite Ramen. It says 1.2 on the packaging, but this is their vegan white miso version 1.3 prototype. I always think it's rad when a company is like, yeah, we'd like to send you something we're working on. That's, wow, an honor, to say the least. Just gonna drop the noodles in, give it 3 minutes, do the exhales. So yeah, what's new with you folks? Oh yeah, so Sunday, my big kid Miles, he got his first COVID shot. That was like kind of a no-brainer for us, and it was pretty early to be able to get it. Not that, I mean, he's 6, but they just announced like the week before or less. I don't think it was even a week. It was when he got his first shot on November 7th. So, but my wife was like, you're gonna, I'm like, not gonna have any luck getting him a shot anytime soon. It's like, why? And then all of a sudden it says they've got a vaccine clinic opening up, and you gotta, if you want to get in on it, you gotta register. Like, the email went out at 6 p.m. and if you want to register for it, you gotta be there on the site to register for it at 7 p.m. And I was working on, what was I working on? Working on some kind of noodle junk. And, oh, it was already going, good. But, yeah, I got in line and then I couldn't figure something out. And instead of having like all these times available, it went down, well, we got these times available. I'm like, boom. Got him in, he got his shot, and he was good. So that's cool. And he gets his, he'll be fully, well, 2 weeks after, what, like November 28th? I think that's it. He'll be fully vaccinated. So that's cool. And then Mimi can on her birthday. I don't know. That seems like a crummy thing to do on a kid's birthday, but I don't know. Maybe that weekend. Yeah. But yeah, getting plans ready to get together for Thanksgiving at my folks' house up in Anacortes. Well, now it's my sister's house, because we are out of folks. Time does that. But yeah. Bring up a bunch of turkey stuff. It's cool this year because my wife has the day after off. And that's when I'm gonna do all the Christmas shopping. Ho, 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 you know what I'm saying? But it's not even Christmas anymore for you guys. You guys are like, this was recorded a while back. Gee, am I watching an old episode? No, I'm just really far ahead. Even though I just took a week off, basically, from doing regular reviewing like this. Actually, I took more than a week. It's been a while since I've done a review. And this is one of the first. This is going to be post, what, 4100? And yesterday I posted review 4001. This one kind of got a little chunky, but that's okay. Hi, Miles, what you doing?
Hey, Papa, I'm going to say...
Huh?
I'm going to say hi to the nice people.
Oh, you want to say hi to the nice people?
Hi to the nice people.
How you doing today, Miles?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got your shot on Sunday, huh?
Yeah.
How's your arm feel today?
My arm is sore.
Yeah, it's still sore.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Mimi. How you doing, Mimi?
Good.
Good.
I have my boots.
You do have your boots. Go out, go out, go. There's hot stuff in play. Eat your banana, kid. Alright, Buster. Ladies and gentlemen, the brood. Anyways, stirring up this stuff. We got some Earl. The Earl in there. There we go. Earl it up. Alexa, tune to PBS. I think I like Leave It to Beaver more than they do. There we go. All right. So far, these new formulations that Vite is doing are really good. I like their noodles. They're nice and funky. They've got a nice chew to them. They're really good. Very rustic. Cheers. Oh, that's right. I even got a Vite ramen spoon. That's what all these white ones that I use on the show, they're all from Vite ramen. The black one, excuse me, the black ones, I can't remember where those came from. Broth. So that one seems to be more on the side of what do you call it? Very, very light on the saltiness. That's something they say though. It's like if it's not salty enough for you, add some kind of sodium source. And I found this stuff works pretty good, this Pappy's seasoning. So I will do so as it's mentioned in the instructions to add something salty. It's like a garlic and herb seasoning. Usually it brings out the flavor of this stuff. The flavor of this broth is really, it's got like a rich taste to it, but there's just not a lot of sodium to it, so. That's a little better. I really like the noodles in these. Just adds a niceness. Groovy. Alright. Now we gotta get to moving. Because it's gonna be time to get my kid to school pretty soon, you know what I'm saying? We'll talk about school next episode. The Vite ramen bowl. Look, I've got a whole set of stuff that they've sent me kindly enough. Yeah, Tim and Tom, cool dudes. What up? Okay, so there's that. Oh God. Do I really only have one slice of chashu left? I thought I had one more. Well, no chashu on this one, because the next one's a tonkatsu, and that must have, needs to. It's vegan white miso. I think it'll be okay not to have pork in it. But we are gonna have an egg. Ooh, yeah. I can tell by the squishitude that this is going to be a lovely egg, ladies and gentlemen. Except when I cut it like that. Okay. fucking Christ. Pardon my French, ladies and gentlemen. I just dropped an egg on the floor. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, that didn't work at all. I don't know what's up with that. At least it was this half of the egg. Meow, meow, meow. That sucked. Ergo the expulsion of French that I just used. Little shichimi. You know what I want to find? So this is Leyu oil, but they make this Mayu oil, which is like black garlic oil, and I'd really like to get that. They've got it on Amazon, but it's like freaking 13, 14 bucks for a little thing of it, and it's like, that's a kind of premium price. I'm sure it costs like 50 cents in Japan. Well, maybe a little more, but still, it's like import pricing. I hate import pricing. I don't want to pay any more than anybody else is paying for it, because I'm a cheap sucker. Okay, what's going on here? Come on. It's already a swearing episode. Alright, Rotato, do your stuff. Oh. Well, cool. Thanks to Tim and Tom over at Vite Ramen for shooting these neat varieties over. I really love doing prototypes, so when 1.4 rolls around, I'm down. And when the full version of 1.3 comes around, I'm down too, because I'm sure there'll be a little tweak here and there to that. Definitely would like to show it to everybody. Next one is going to be this Nongshim Tonkatsu bowl. Yeah, so this is the Kuro Mayu variety. There's also a spicy one, which has been on top 10 lists, so we'll see. It's Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.